RepairDesk features, strengths, weaknesses. RepairDesk is a cloud-based POS and repair shop management software tailored specifically for businesses handling electronic device repairs, from smartphones and tablets to computers and gaming consoles. Its core features encompass repair ticket management, inventory control, customer relationship management, CRM, point-of-sale functionality, and reporting analytics. The repair ticketing system allows technicians to log repair requests, assign them to specific technicians, track progress, and communicate with customers regarding updates and ETAs. Inventory management enables tracking of parts, accessories, and devices, minimizing stockouts and optimizing inventory levels. The CRM module centralizes customer data, repair history, and communication logs, facilitating personalized customer service and targeted marketing efforts. Integrated POS capabilities streamline sales transactions, process payments, and generate invoices, simplifying financial operations. RepairDesk's reporting provides insights into sales trends, repair performance, inventory valuation, and customer behavior, allowing owners to make data-driven decisions. This software caters to repair shops of all sizes, from single-owner operations to multi-location businesses, providing a scalable solution to manage their workflows. Key strengths include its industry-specific design, simplifying complex repair workflows. The cloud-based nature provides accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection, promoting flexibility and remote management. The integrated features eliminate the need for multiple separate software solutions, improving efficiency. However, RepairDesk does have its weaknesses. The user interface, while functional, can feel somewhat dated compared to newer software solutions, which might impact user adoption for some. While generally comprehensive, advanced reporting customization can be limited, potentially requiring external tools for in-depth analysis. Dependence on a stable internet connection is a critical factor, impacting operations in areas with unreliable connectivity. Pricing can be a concern for various small shops or startups, as the monthly subscription fees may be a significant expense compared to free or open-source alternatives. In conclusion, RepairDesk offers a robust, specialized solution for managing repair shop operations. Its industry-focused features, cloud-based accessibility, and integrated functionalities make it a strong contender for businesses seeking to streamline their workflows and improve efficiency. While the user interface, reporting customization, internet dependency, and pricing should be carefully considered, the benefits often outweigh the drawbacks for established repair businesses looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one solution. Before committing, a thorough trial and assessment of your specific needs are recommended to ensure it aligns with your operational requirements and budget.